Hi guys, get into this taming treatment with me. On this model, she is looking for one, to improve the health of her hair, second, to have more manageable curls so that she can actually wear her natural hair and feel comfortable with the curl pattern and the style. Okay, so I'm doing the treatment here, and the taming treatment is for certified licensed professionals only. And so if you're a stylist interested, visit our website, silkoutpro.com, and check out our next certification class. So I'm sealing the treatment in, and now I'm going to rinse it out, which is a very important step. And I'm going to use the Cara Mask to rebalance the pH of her hair. And you're going to see her curls come back to life. So her hair is not heat damaged. So don't think every time someone uses heat, they're damaging the curls. You can use heat safely with moderation and with the right techniques and the right products to get the desired result that you are looking for. So now her curls have come back. I'm going to towel dry it and put a little silk out serum on there. And then I'm going to, oh, that is the Cara Mask. Sorry, that's the Cara Mask right there. I was like, what's the white stuff? Yeah, so that's the Cara Mask. So now we're just adding that extra layer of moisture because the taming treatment is very intense protein. So you never use protein without using moisture. So that is the importance of the Cara Mask in the treatment. So we're working the Cara Mask throughout her hair. We let it sit for a while to absorb, then we rinse it out, and now we're doing the finishing with the silk out serum and the formation styling foam just to open up her curls and give it some definition.